Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Very beautiful people out there. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inspiring Charm, and today I am going to be doing a little demonstration for you. I was gifted with this marvelous gift from Lisa Nails Revolution, and this is not available yet in Canada. For those of you who are living in the US, it is already available, right? But they are planning on launching the Color Street collection in Canada soon. And so those of you who are interested, you can go ahead and hit her up on Facebook. Her name is Lisa's Nail Revolution. So guys, they're open to come to Canada in 2021. I've saved this part for you guys. So this is my new gift that I've received. Her name is Lisa Glassman. You can go on to Facebook and follow her. Guys, check it out. This is globally patented. It's 100% nail polish. Woo, I like these accented pieces. Aren't those beautiful? And they're fast dry. So during this pandemic, it's I do think that this is an opportune time for us to do something like this, because many of us cannot go to the spa. So this is good. You can do it at home, and it comes with everything that you need. So here I have the nail prep sheet, right? Let me open this. I also have this buffer. So it comes with everything that you need. So I'm going to go in and open. It says 100% real nail polish, 16 long-lasting strips. So here you go. Here you have it. I like the pattern. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go ahead and prep my nails, and while you watch. See? That's how well prepared this lady is, and this company, because everything comes in the pack. You don't have to go anywhere else to get what you need. So first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and clean my nails with one of the nail prep pads. Ensure that no oil or grease are on your nails. And as you see, my nails are normally brown, so it's not nail polish that I need to come off. So I'm just taking off any buildups that are there. I'm going to go ahead and just even out my I've watched a few YouTube videos that I've seen, and it only tells you that to avoid going into water half an hour after putting them on, to give them enough time to set and adjust on the nail bed, which I think is okay. But it is dry, you can touch it, right? It's just that you don't want the water to move it away before it is properly set onto your nail bed. I'm just using this to take off any extra ridges that may form on my finger. Yeah, it acts as a buffer. want to put it on your finger and use your finger to smooth it out. And you can use your finger to get rid of all the excess, or you can use this little tool that they gave you to get rid of all the excess polish. So ensure to fold it underneath your finger, and then you use your finger to cut around the sides. So do you have my first one? And it smells like 100% nail polish. So that's the first one. We're gonna go ahead and do the others. So since she sent me the accented pieces on my ring fingers, and guys, if it doesn't sit properly at first, you can always move it around. Move it around and fix it until you get it. That's what I like about it. You can always move it around. Always let it go underneath your nail, because you're giving the polish enough time to dry properly. You just need to do that, and it comes off. Yeah, I love that color. It looks beautiful. So you can see what other person's results are like, and I really do like them. I really do like them. It's really pretty and smooth. I'm going to put some nail fizz in the video, so you can see the different nails that others have done. So guys, I've completed the process and I still have some leftovers. So just in case you make a mess, you can always go in and correct. And so we're gonna go in and show you. We deliberately did it to this one so that you can see that it is 100% nail polish and it can be removed with your remover. So we're gonna take off this one and then reapply it, and then we'll show you the finished product. some of the many different colors that Color Street offers. Isn't that beautiful? And you can see that they do have solid colors, and the solid colors goes for $11. They have glitters, and glitters for $12. They have clear nail hearts, and that's for $11. And you have down there glitter nail art for $13, and glitter dipped for $13. So guys, go over and support her if you're in the US, and for those of you living in Canada, it's coming to us soon. All right, so my beautiful people, I know that you're all waiting to see my finished product, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. So there you have my finished product. So remember, you can always use your fingers to clear away the excess. I'm gonna give this about half an hour to just set in place, and by the time I wash my hands, everything that is there will just go. Bye.